Want to fix the Wi-Fi dropping on your iPhone or Android? In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step for both devices. On iPhone, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Select your connected network, then tap Forget this network. Reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. If the issue continues, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset. Reset. Reset Network Settings. This will remove all saved networks, so you'll need to reconnect. Finally, check for updates under Settings, General, Software, Update, and install if one is available. On Android, open the Settings app and go to Wi-Fi. Select your connected network and tap Forget. Reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. If it still drops, go to Settings, System, Reset Phone, Reset Wi-Fi Settings, then tap Reset. This clears all saved networks, so you'll need to reconnect. Last, check for updates under Settings, My Phone. Check for Update and install the latest version if available. And that's it! You fixed the Wi-Fi dropping on your iPhone or Android. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.